This video shows how to log into HostingController and view the web server and DNS server settings on a preconfigured Azure instance. HostingController offers preconfigured Azure instances with already installed web and DNS services. Users can spare themselves the hassle of installing HostingController, an IIS web server, and a Microsoft DNS server manually on a new Azure instance. The instance comes preconfigured, with all the required services including the control panel. Users simply need to log into their control panel, tweak the web and DNS server settings, if needed, and start creating websites and DNS zones on the go. When the new Azure instance is initiated, it already contains a fully installed copy of HostingController. You simply need to provide your admin credentials and submit them. Once submitted, the control panel will automatically set them as your global admin credentials. Log into the control panel with these credentials. You will land on the dashboard. Navigate to the top right corner and click the Configurations cog. Go to Servers, under Server Manager, and hit the Servers menu. You will find fully installed and configured copies of both the IIS web server and Microsoft DNS server. However, their settings can be tweaked if required. To tweak the settings, hit the Edit button. You will find both the web and DNS roles enabled on the machine. If you need to view the settings for each service, hit the Save and Edit Roles button. For the web server, you can see the web root path for the websites, the IP-less domain IPs, and other settings such as the FTP settings. For the DNS server, you can see the DNS server type, the name servers, the custom settings for DNS records, and the SOA settings.